Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Another one of these so-called foreigners behaving badly videos. Do these from time to time just when I see a news article pop up that I think is kind of noteworthy. Look, Thai immigration takes Interpol red notices really, really seriously. If one of those comes through and somebody comes through their system, and by the way, more and more with digitization, Thai immigration can quickly assess these things in real time. It's having the impact of immigration is arresting a lot further people. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Phuket News. That's thephuketnews.com. Article is titled, Phuket Immigration Arrests Russian Wanted on Interpol Red Notice. Quoting directly, Phuket immigration officers have arrested a Russian man wanted on an Interpol Red Notice for his alleged involvement in an international drug trafficking network. Quoting further, the suspect, identified only as Mr. Igor, okay, did they just choose a standard Russian name? I don't know. Quoting further, 46, was apprehended following a coordinated investigation by Phuket Immigration in cooperation with the Foreign Affairs Division of the Royal Thai Police and the Russian consulate in Phuket. Yeah, it's noteworthy. The Russians put a consulate in Phuket going back now 3 or 4 years. And one of the things that they said at the time was the purpose of it was to process more criminals that were outside of Russia. So looks like maybe that it's having that effect. Well, not prosecute, but apprehend, I guess is the right word. Quoting further, quote unquote, Igor was reportedly a key figure in an international drug gang and had been selling illegal drugs to customers in Russia via online platforms. His alleged criminal activities led to the issuance of a red notice by Interpol, identifying him as a major suspect in a transnational drug case and a serious criminal organization. Authorities said the suspect had fled to Phuket to avoid arrest and was residing in the province illegally. He was arrested on charges of overstaying his visa. Yeah, that's another good point. We've talked on this channel before about extradition, but remember, immigration has different types of powers from standard Thai police, or powers might not be the right word, but sort of administrative focus. If you're here and you're on overstay, they can just deport you straight away. And if you have, and based on your passport of origin, so in this case, if he had a Russian passport and he'd entered on a Russian passport, logically the place they're going to deport you to is Russia. So again, you may not be necessarily, quote unquote, protected by extradition laws and rules or even treaties simply by being in Thailand. One, there may be an extradition treaty, so you have to go through that process and eventually be sent back to wherever. But that could be sidestepped by you being on overstay. Or again, as we've discussed in other videos, Thai immigration has discretion if, quote unquote, national security is being threatened to just go ahead and rescind someone's visa status, which is granted on the discretion and sufferance, if you will, of Thai immigration authorities. Basically cancel the visa and just deport you back to wherever. They have that discretion as well. So something to think about for international criminals who are thinking of coming to Thailand. This might not be a refuge or the refuge that it once was, because now immigration authorities, through digital systems as well as through the powers they've always had, have the ability to summarily deal with criminals here in the Kingdom of Thailand.